Hi, my name is Davin from 7A.
Hi, I'm Callista from grade 7B and we're from St. Nicholas School. So today we are making handmade alcohol temperature. Here are some materials we need. A bottle with a hole in the cap.
A straw.
Alcohol, 70% alcohol.
Wet food coloring.
Marker.
30 centimeter ruler.
And clay.
So we need to measure our straw in every 2 inch. In 2 centimeter. As you can see, the straw has red, black coloring marker.
Now we're gonna put the straw in the hole in the cap. So now we're gonna put the alcohol in here. We're putting half, so until here.
Yeah, half.
So we're gonna roll the clay into a ball.
Yay! Play-Doh. To prevent
Getting the water out. The water that we get out from this, we're gonna put it in the straw carefully so it doesn't spill.
So guys, we're gonna put the hot, cold water.
So we're gonna test it out. We're gonna put it here.
Mine's just hot.
Mine's is cold.
Look.
As you can see, the water in the straw is going down.
Mine is going up.
You can see mine's is going down.
Mine's going up very high.
It's going up. I'm warming it with my hand. So the project is a success. You can see.
Yes, I'm finally done. I'm finally free from this project. Thank you for watching.